Hi lovelies, it's Frederica and I'm back with another video. Tonight's video, and I'll say it's tonight, I'm really exhausted, but I wanted to film this skincare routine video for you guys. If you turn back to a couple of other episodes, I said I was going to do a skincare routine for you guys because I did have some problems and with my skin, acne for the first time, and I had experienced it because I had hormonal changes. So I was dealing with my husband saying, "Oh, your skin, you're breaking out again," and I really didn't know what was going on. And I was like, I don't want to get on any like strong acne medication or anything. So I just started Googling some like what helps with acne and stuff. So it came to me like maybe I could try apple cider vinegar on my own, but I wasn't sure. So when I started Googling, does apple cider vinegar help? Then I saw an article about the beautiful actress Scarlett Johansson, which I'll put the link in this video to the article. It's on Vogue, I believe it is. Yeah, VogueMagazine.com. And you have all the details in there about what she does. Her regimen is like $7, but my regimen was like $1 because it's a budget-friendly skincare routine. So this is it. I got this from this is great value from Walmart, apple cider vinegar brand. They also have organic brands. So the brand that you use is totally up to you. You don't have to use, a dollar brand. You can use a higher grade of apple cider vinegar. It's totally up to you. But this is when you have breakouts and you have acne. And I want to share it with you guys because honestly, it works. I've used it and it worked for me. Vinegar is very, very strong. So I would suggest you use water when you're like treating your skin. So what I do is I use purified water. But if you want to use tap water, you can if you don't have any, purified water. But this is just my choice. This is what I use for my skin, I'm really blessed to have good genes. My mom, all she ever did was like wash her face every night religiously, whether she wore makeup or not. She washed her face with soap and water. So I don't do it every night. I'm not gonna lie to you because I'd be tired. But if I do wear makeup, I definitely wash my face if I wear makeup because I just know products and makeup can make your skin feel heavy, weigh it down, and you will break out. So ladies, if you're not practicing washing your skin every night, then that's probably the first mistake. So I'm going to wash my face because this is a real skincare routine. This is what I really do to my skin. If I'm having breakouts, which I am having a few breakouts, so I feel good about doing this regimen for you guys so you can see how it goes. So what you're going to need is, of course, the apple cider vinegar, a cup, clean cup, water, and I'm going to just pour the water in my cup. And I should have probably used a smaller cup. You can use a smaller cup because it's going to be hard to get my hand all the way down in there. So I'm going to just fill up the cup as much as I can so I don't have to go so deep into the cup. And I'm going to put in vinegar, apple cider vinegar. This is just for like the cleansing. But first you need to wash your face. And vinegar is very strong. So I would suggest not using it full strength. I don't suggest that because your skin can take it. But the good thing about apple cider vinegar, it brings the skin's pH balance back. So that's going to be helpful if you're having breakouts and acne and stuff. So I would suggest using it maybe like in the morning and in the evening. So when you shower in the morning, use it with the water and everything. And then when you're going to bed, like your nighttime routine, you can also use it as well. So I got the Dove. This is what I normally use for my skin, Dove, and my whole body. The Dove soap and my Sure cotton balls. And you guys know I'm going to use this one if it works because I'm your budget girl. Beauty on a budget. That's what we do on this channel. So, but if you want to get the higher grade quality like Scarlett Johansson did, then by all means, you should definitely do it, Oh, and I want you guys to see my cute little shower curtain. Isn't that cute? Ooh. It was at Walmart. It's got like unicorns on it. I hope you can see. So anyway, that was want you guys to see that. It's really cute. So anyway, let's get right into it. So I'm going to fill up my sink with water. And just warm water so I can wash my skin, wash my face, get my Dove bar out. This is the Gentle Exfoliating Beauty Bar, like soap bar. And you'll find these everywhere in shop. Okay, so it's filled up. Got my washcloth. I'm washing my face. And I didn't wear any makeup today, so that's a good thing. And even if you are blessed with good genes like I have been, and I think I have been, I didn't get, you know, any problems till later on. Down, I didn't like even have any problems in high school, and I know that's like when people really break out and stuff. So, you still should make sure that you are like washing your face every night and stuff, you know, and stuff. Yeah, see stuff coming off the towel because your skin is dirty. I wish I felt like washing my face every night. I normally don't wash it every night, but when I'm having breakouts, or if I wear makeup, like I said, I don't wear makeup on a regular basis, then I do take care of my skin, you know. But I should be like my mom, more like my mom, and I should definitely like wash my skin every night. Okay, and I'm just getting rid of that old water. I go back over it. I just like to rinse it. Make sure you're doing your neck, guys. And I used to go over it like one more time because I got to do my ears. I don't like to not do my ears. So, got another time to do my ears because you should clean your ears out for sure. Get behind your ears too. Okay. Okay. And you can actually, I don't have my my face dry. You can actually do this to your skin too. I just put some water on it, like this. Okay, let me step away and get my padded dry towel. So this is how the skin is looking right now, and this is just with a wash for today. So I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and just pat your face dry, like that. Let your face dry. So this is how it was looking, and I do have a couple of like breakout points here, which is like my problem areas, you know, when I'm having breakouts. And I know probably what it is. I have not been eating so well. It was my son's birthday about 4 days ago, so this cake was really good that we got from Walmart, that I even asked my husband to buy some more, which was horrible, but you know, we're still quarantining. We're not really going out, you know, because most things are still kind of closed, but they're kind of open. So since they're not really fully open, we're just kind of taking it easy, you know, not just going out here doing too much, because you got to be safe. You know, we have a family to take care of, and you know, nobody wants to be sick or dealing with any issues like that. Okay, so we already did our apple cider vinegar with the water mix. So we got that. It's in this cup. So now you need your cotton balls. And I did a whole video on Dollar Tree must-haves. Okay, these are only $1 at Dollar Tree. So now, since we patted our face dry, we can now move forward with our cotton balls. So what I do is I just take, I'm really heavy-handed, so I take like 3 of these and I dip it in here, and then you really just squeeze it out into your sink, and you just pat it dry. Just go in those problem areas. Yeah. So if you find that your skin is dry afterwards, too dry, then you can actually just put some lotion on, like a lotion of your choice, on your face, whatever works good for your skin, then just use it, you know. And I don't use it on my neck or anything because it's like really no need to. So these are the problem areas. And I'll do this like 1 or 2 times, you know, just to make sure. And then you just throw out the cotton balls. Throw that out and then let this dry. So what I'll do too, this is like a trick that I have. And you don't have to do it. I wish I had a real fan, but I don't. So I just use this method where like I fan it. Like I fan myself with like these magazine sheets. Just any random paper. So it helps dry it faster. And then you can do your second application. Everything. So just do a nice fan of everything. Like fan it. And let's see. Looking better. No makeup. So let's see. So let's do it again. You might as well. I'm taking 3 cotton balls because you might want to take 1 or 2 depending on, you know, what you like. You just put it back in that same water. And it's clean because you're using new cotton balls. You didn't use the same old cotton balls because you shouldn't. You should use new cotton balls every time you want to apply this to your face. And it really does work. I'm telling you, when I had really bad hormonal issues where I was breaking out for like 3 to 6 months, it didn't go away right away. But every time I used it, I noticed a difference in like 2 weeks. So, you know, even if you don't notice a difference right away, you will notice a difference in like as soon as like maybe in 2 weeks, or it might work sooner. You know, it's just about when your skin will restore its pH balance levels. Okay, so, and it's a little bit running, trying to run towards my eye, so let's pat dry. Okay, and let's get our paper again and fan it. Fan. And this fanning really works because it helps you dry your skin faster. And it actually feels really good. It feels like you're at like a spa, you know, and you're giving yourself your own facial treatment. So, you know, do this for yourself too. I should do this every night because, you know, it makes you feel good. So, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. That's it for tonight. I wanted to give you the skincare routine. I hope it works for you. Over time, in a week or 2, drop a comment on this video or any video that I do and just let me know if it worked for you, okay? I see you guys soon. Hugs. Always remember to live the ultimate life. Hugs. Bye. Love you guys.